I decided to read 50 e-commerce success stories of different companies, from CBD for dogs to beard products. I've taken all of the knowledge they've shared and summarized it into one video for you. You're welcome. Here are 4 lessons you can learn to succeed with your e-commerce business. Let's do this. Lesson 1. Identifying your niche. This is the most important step towards having a successful e-commerce business. Success starts with identifying a unique niche. Any great business owner will tell you that. But why? Well, in the e-commerce industry, finding your niche is like discovering your unique voice in a crowded room. It's not merely about selecting a product category. It's about strategically positioning your brand to resonate with a specific audience. You want to be able to answer questions like, what will my product give to my audience right off the bat without any hesitation. You see, your niche is your specialization and a distinct aspect that distinguishes you from the competition. And if by any chance you have a brand in mind that you'd like to take inspiration from, that's great. But remember, they might just be your direct competitor. What are you going to do to stand out and get their customers' attention to your product? See, this isn't a friendly game. So throughout this video, I will be asking uncomfortable questions that I want you to answer to prepare you for anything and everything in e-commerce. Right, you know why it's important to find your niche, but how do you actually do it? How do you find a niche that will be successful in e-commerce? Well, that's the million-dollar question right there. From all the e-commerce success stories I've read, most talked about solving an issue. What will you, your brand, your product solve? Why should people need it? Why should people reach out for your product and not the other ones that are already available? I know you might feel like I'm steering away from this lesson, but you see, I'm trying to make you think. You also need textbook knowledge on finding your niche, because even if you have all those questions answered and neatly organized, you'll need to put in the research. Starting off with market research. You want to identify gaps and untapped opportunities, understand what customers are looking for, and where the competition falls short. So, of course, here are some great examples used by many e-commerce business owners to conduct competitor research. Competitor website analysis, social media monitoring, competitors' customer reviews, and feedback. And then create a customer persona, or know your audience. You can create detailed customer personas to help you understand your target audience. Their preferences, pain points, and desires. I always point this out everywhere, no matter what the video is about. You have to know who you are talking to. So here are 3 takeaways for identifying your niche. Strategic specialization. Success in e-commerce begins with identifying a unique niche that strategically positions your brand to resonate with a specific audience. Your niche can be as specific as pink bedazzled hoodies for plus-size women. Problem-solving focus. Most successful e-commerce stories revolve around solving a particular issue. Your niche should address a genuine need or problem in the market. Define what your brand will solve and why customers should choose your products over others. Personal alignment and research. Leverage your skills, passions, and expertise to align your business with what you love and excel in. Conduct thorough market research. I know it's not easy to find your niche, especially a profitable one. However, try to get as specific as possible. Like, did you know that the pet supplement market will most likely be worth $1.05 billion by 2027? And we're talking CBD for dogs, which I honestly didn't even know existed before creating this video. On to lesson 2, building a strong brand identity. As I mentioned, in the dynamic world of e-commerce, standing out is crucial, and that's where a strong brand identity becomes your secret weapon. So let's dive into the power of a distinctive brand. Think about your favorite brands. What sets them apart? How do they stand out? Chances are it's more than just the products they offer. Successful e-commerce businesses understand the importance of crafting a unique brand identity. Take BeardBrand, for example. A business that started with a $30 investment to a $7 million annual success story. Eric Bandholz, the founder of BeardBrand, quit his job when his employer didn't allow him to grow his beard. The ex-financial advisor soon realized that there was an underserved group of customers who didn't have any care products available. In short, that's how BeardBrand came to be. Now, in a market flooded with beard products, BeardBrand didn't just sell oils and waxes. They created the urban beardsman persona. This distinctive identity wasn't just a logo. It was a story that customers could connect with. And that's exactly where we come to storytelling as your brand's superpower. People love stories. A compelling brand story can turn a casual shopper into a loyal customer. You see, Bandholz didn't just start a beard care business. He created articles and videos and coined the term urban beardsman. This story connected with his audience and fueled the brand's rapid growth. You see, your brand story should be more than just a tagline. It should be an authentic narrative that resonates with your customers. Brand identity beyond products. A strong brand identity goes beyond your product catalog. It's about creating a memorable experience. You see, BeardBrand understood this when they went beyond product packaging. They invested in a unique website, a compelling vision page, and even business cards and a PR kit. Building your brand identity involves thinking holistically about how customers perceive and interact with your brand at every touch point. Now, the last point, your brand, your promise. Your brand is a promise to your customers. It's a commitment to a certain quality, a particular experience, and a set of values. When you think about your brand, consider what you want customers to feel when they see your logo or visit your website. Whether it's trust, excitement, or reliability, a strong brand identity conveys this promise consistently. So, key takeaways from lesson 2. Craft a unique brand identity that goes beyond just selling products. Develop a compelling brand story that resonates with your audience. Consider every aspect of your brand's presentation, from your website to your packaging. Your brand is a promise. Ensure it reflects the values and experience you want to deliver. Right, on to lesson 3. Don't overlook the power of social media. Social media has become a game changer for e-commerce businesses, providing a vibrant space for business growth. Social media isn't just a tool, they're powerful drivers for success. Take Madsen Cycles, for example, a thriving cargo bike manufacturer pulling in $5 million annually. Their journey unveils the impactful strategies of strategic social media marketing, proving that these platforms are more than just trends in the digital era. They're the key to success. Founded in 2008, Madsen Cycles embraces social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, strategically engaging its audience with captivating visuals and interactive content. The brand's commitment to fostering community and driving conversions has made it a standout in the competitive e-commerce landscape. The key to their success was promoting user-generated content, or UGC for short. And by actively encouraging customers to share their experiences, the brand increased credibility and built a community around its products. UGC is definitely something to look out for, since 92% of customers trust user-generated content more than traditional advertising. More and more e-commerce businesses are hiring UGC creators to create authentic content where individuals share their experiences with a product. Now, to enhance the customer experience, Madsen Cycles seamlessly integrated social media content into its Shopify store using the InstaFeed app. This innovative approach showcases real experiences, establishing trust and bridging the gap between potential customers and the Madsen Cycles community. Madsen Cycles' social media triumph with over 1/3 of user-generated content on its Instagram page exemplifies the power of connecting authentically with customers. Another part of social media that I have to mention here is influencer marketing. E-commerce success stories often feature collaborations with influencers, extending reach, building credibility, and driving sales through trusted recommendations. And HiSmile's success story is a great example of it. In 2014, Australian entrepreneurs Alex Tomic and Nick Merkovic founded HiSmile, a teeth whitening startup, investing $15,000 to transform the dental care industry. HiSmile strategically only engaged micro-influencers in the beginning, prioritizing authenticity. And within 18 months, they had over $10 million in sales, paving the way for collaborations with higher profile figures, including Conor McGregor. The turning point for HiSmile came in 2016, when it enlisted one of the top influencers in the world, Kylie Jenner. It was entirely self-funded, the brand reinvested its profits, and after the collaboration, they saw a $77 million sales target at the end of 2018. So, to conclude this lesson, don't overlook the power of social media. As we can see by Madsen Cycles and HiSmile, social media marketing can lead to great e-commerce success. Lesson 4. Overcoming challenges. The projected $6.4 trillion market in 2024 is both an opportunity and a battleground for businesses. As companies adapt to the latest trends, they encounter various challenges, with increased competition standing out as a significant hurdle. The influx of new entrants and aspiring entrepreneurs intensifies the need for strategies to carve out a distinctive niche in the competitive space. Fugo, a Bluetooth speaker manufacturer, is a compelling example of overcoming fierce competition. Entering a saturated market, Fugo faced the challenge of standing out amongst competitors. With a narrow launch window, the company did everything possible to best prepare for the Consumer Electronics Show. They debuted at the show while launching a conversion-friendly online shopping experience and targeted ad campaigns. Now, during the launch, Fugo's website strategically displayed direct product comparisons with major competitors, highlighting the robust features against the limitations of other brands. The approach showcased the product's unique selling points and positioned Fugo as a superior choice in the eyes of consumers. The result was a remarkable 300% increase in revenue year over year. The key takeaway from Fugo's success is clear. In the face of heightened competition, businesses must adopt focused strategies highlighting their unique value propositions. Whether through superior product features, an exceptional customer experience, or innovative marketing, companies can rise above the competition and thrive in e-commerce. Another challenge that most e-commerce businesses face is shopping cart abandonment. The average cart abandonment rate is approximately 70%, meaning a significant revenue opportunity exists. So how do businesses overcome this challenge? First, they can focus on improving delivery speed, since 18% of abandonments result from slow shipping. Additionally, they consider shipping costs, which is a major factor in cart abandonment, according to the Baymart Institute. They also simplified the checkout process, since 21% of US online shoppers abandon carts due to lengthy and complicated checkouts. They also opt for e-commerce platforms like BigCommerce that offer seamless checkout experiences and native features for abandoned cart recovery, leveraging effective abandoned cart emails. Or you can use live chat to help you stop customers from abandoning their carts as well. Right, those were 4 very in-depth lessons, but now I'm sure you've learned enough to start succeeding with your e-commerce store. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you soon.